So, good morning, students. Here I am continuing chapter 5 and the program of switch statements. So, we are solving here question number 27. Write a program to input the three sides of triangle S1, S2, and S3 using switch statements. The triangle is equilateral, isosceles, right angle triangle, or scalene or not. The program should used with a menu and switch case. So here this is the solution of that problem. Each program of switch statement we are doing here with the help of scanner because we required menu in this program. So without switch statement the menu will not display on the screen. So first we are importing a java.util.star class demo. Void input is a function. We have to declare scanner sc equal new scanner system.in. There are three sites s1, s2 and s3. We are taking integer type and the choice of also an integer. So enter the three sites s1 equal sc dot nextInt, s2 equal sc dot nextInt, s3 equal sc dot nextInt. Now we are displaying a menu. Number first is for equilateral triangle, number second is isosceles triangle, and number third is scalene triangle. Enter your choice ch equal sc dot nextInt. Now we are writing the switch statement, switch of ch. So if the value of ch is equal to 1, so this will be switch on case number 1. And here we require the condition for equilateral triangle. So the condition is if S1 is equal to S2 and S3 is equal to S3, or we can also write a one more condition and S3 is equal to S1. So if this condition is satisfied, then we are printing equilateral triangle, else not equilateral triangle. Break is used. Case 2, we have to check isosceles triangle. So what do you mean by the isosceles? Two sides of triangle should be equal. So if S1 is equal to S3 and S2 should not equal S3. So the first condition. Second condition is S2 is equal to S3 and S3 should not equal to S1. And the third is S3 is equal to S1 and S3, S1 is not equal S2. So isosceles, so this is, we are printing an isosceles triangle, else not isosceles triangle. And the last condition is in case 3 for scalene. If S1 is not equal S2 and S2 is not equal S3 and S3 is not equal S1. So we will print scalene triangle, otherwise not scalene triangle. And last, there is the default case. If any case is not matched, then we will print invalid choice. Now question number 28. So this is easy questions. We have to perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division based on the user choice of two numbers. But in this program the new thing is here, okay, the choice should be in character. So import java.util.star class demo void input scanner sc equal new scanner system.in integer ab for two numbers, s for sum, m for multiply, and this is for subtraction. Division we are taking in double and the choice we are taking in character. So enter two numbers. A number, first number will be enter in a and the second will be enter in b. We are printing the menu. A, addition is for plus, subtraction we are use minus sign, multiply for asterisk, and division for slash. So this is the menu. Enter your choice, and this is the character choice. So we are using here the statement sc dot next dot caret of 0. This is the statement for taking a character as an input from the scanner class. Switch of ch, so the case is the character plus, and this should be in single quotes because this is the symbol. S equal a plus b, and now we are printing sum equal s. Now the next is the case is the subtraction, so we are using the minus in single quotes. Subtraction equal a minus b, and we are printing subtract equal sub and break. Third is a case is a multiplication, m equal a into b, subtracts multiply equal m. And the last case divide, we are using slash divide equal a slash b, division equal div. Break, and last the default case, so we will print the invalid choices here. And next, this is a question number 29. In this we have to calculate the calculation of these two equations, 3x plus 4y plus z and 3a square plus 4b cube plus 3c. And here in both case there are the two different variables. In first case there will be a x, y, z, and in second case there will be a, b, c, r, u. So we will input these values inside the cases. So in the input function, we are taking a variable integer x, y, z, a, b, c, and double s1 equals 0 and s2 equals 0 for the calculation. So s1 should be 0.0 and s2 should be 0.0, integer ch for choice. Now we are printing the menu number. First 3x plus 4y plus z, and the second one is a 3a square plus 4b cube plus 3c. Enter your choice equal sc dot next send, switch of ch. Case number first, enter the value of xyz, x equal, so we are inputting a value of xyz, x equal sc dot next send, y equal sc dot next send, and z equal sc dot next send. Now the s1 equal 3x plus 4y plus z in the form of Java expression, and print the answer 1 equal s1. Similarly, in second case, we want to input the value of a, b, c. So a equal sc dot next int, b equal sc dot next int, and c equal sc dot next int. And now the sum 2 is equal 3a square. So we are using 3 multiply a into a plus 4. Mat.power b comma 3 plus 3 into c. And now we are printing the calculation of s2. So answer equal s2, and there is the break. And there is the last, the default case. So if any case is not matched, then system will print a invalid choice. And here this is the one code that convert from if else to switch statement. So the question is, this is the question, rewrite the program using the switch statement. Character code, if code is equal to capital B or small b, then we will print bank manager. If code is equal to capital C or small c, then should be print chartered account, and so on. So the variable which is used inside a if statement, we will use inside a choice, inside a switch as a choice, and the case will be used for the value such as b, capital B, and small b. So this is a solution, character code, switch of code. So if the value of code will be matched to capital B or small b, so this is the form of switch. Then we will print a bank manager. Then break, if the value of code is capital C and small c, then we will print the chartered account. If the value of code is capital M or small m, then we will print a minister, and the code is the value is equal to small e or capital E. Then we will use engineer as a printing statement. And after each case, we require the break statement, otherwise this will print all the messages.